Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is January 10th, 2025, and we're diving into Walgreens Boots Alliance's fiscal 2025 first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Walgreens Boots Alliance, a leader in healthcare and retail pharmacy, has just released their Q1 results, and there's a lot to unpack regarding their strategic priorities and financial performance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Walgreens Boots Alliance reported a revenue of $39.5 billion for the first quarter, marking a 7.5% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in revenue is primarily driven by increased sales across all business segments, particularly in the U.S., retail pharmacy, and international segments. However, despite the revenue growth, the company reported a net loss of $265 million, which is a significant increase from the $67 million loss in the same quarter last year.
And how does the adjusted EPS of 51 cents compare to expectations?
Interestingly, the adjusted EPS of 51 cents exceeded the analyst forecast of 0.37, which is a positive sign. This was achieved despite challenges in retail sales and the impact of prior year sale-leaseback gains.
Segment performance analysis. John, can you break down the performance across Walgreens' different segments?
Absolutely. The U.S. retail pharmacy segment saw sales of $30.9 billion, up 6.6% from the previous year, driven by higher branded drug inflation and prescription volume. The international segment also performed well, with sales increasing by 10.2% to $6.4 billion, thanks to strong performance in Germany and Boots UK.
And what about the U.S. healthcare segment?
The U.S. healthcare segment reported sales of $2.2 billion, with notable growth in businesses like VillageMD and Shields. This segment is showing promising signs of improvement, with a reduced operating loss compared to last year.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Walgreens has been focusing on strategic initiatives like footprint optimization and cost savings. How are these efforts impacting their future outlook?
The company is actively working on stabilizing its retail pharmacy operations by optimizing its footprint and controlling costs. These efforts are crucial as they aim to improve cash flow and address reimbursement models. Despite the challenges, Walgreens is maintaining its fiscal 2025 adjusted EPS guidance of $1.40 to $1.80, which reflects their confidence in a retail pharmacy-led operating model.
What did CEO Tim Wentworth have to say about these results?
CEO Tim Wentworth emphasized the disciplined execution of their 2025 priorities and expressed confidence in the sustainability of their retail pharmacy-led model, although he acknowledged that the turnaround will take time.
Key takeaways. In summary, Walgreens Boots Alliance has shown resilience with a 7.5% increase in sales and an adjusted EPS that beat expectations. While challenges remain, their strategic initiatives are paving the way for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Walgreens is navigating a complex landscape, but their focus on cost-cutting and cash flow improvement is promising. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Walgreens' performance in the comments below. Until next time.